I'm again having to do a double take on a headline here, guys. I can't believe this has happened, but I'm very glad that this woman from Baton Rouge, Louisiana, has won her lawsuit against the mechanic who, instead of repairing her vehicle when she sent it into the garage, ended up dismantling it and returning it in pieces like the world's biggest Lego set, or a sick flat pack furniture set from IKEA. Other retailers are, of course, available. But what on earth has happened here? Why did this mechanic decide to return this lady's car in all these different pieces? I got the full story for you here on the channel as always, guys. I can't believe they ever thought they were going to get away with this. And thankfully, they haven't. Olivia Hayes of Baton Rouge, Louisiana, sent her car for a routine repair at a local garage, but this ended up being a months-long, drawn-out nightmare for the lady. In 2024, Hayes brought her 2010 Volkswagen EOS into a mechanic when they could finally repair the convertible top that had been causing her all sorts of problems in that vehicle and that she'd been saving up for years to fix. However, instead of a quick turnaround, her car ended up sitting in the garage for months on end, continuously being delayed. But why? Well, essentially, there wasn't really any legitimate reasons given, hence why she has won her lawsuit in a civil case. And shout out to Mrs. Hayes as well. She was absolutely diligent with this as well. She recorded every phone conversation, every text message, and also documented all of her expenses, all the damages that were put against her, whether these were taxi rides, whether these were lost wages due to missing out on work, whether these were having to have home deliveries for food rather than going out to the supermarket. She was absolutely meticulous and documented it all, which gave her a very strong case when this did end up going to court. Now, what did she put her success down to? Well, believe it or not, AI. She thanked She said that some of the best advice that she got during this time was actually from ChatGPT, which would have saved her a lot of money in lawyer fees, no doubt. At the end of the day, this isn't a joke. All these costs obviously piling up from the garage side of things where they're saying that things are being delayed. That obviously is a hassle. That is not something you want to deal with. But at the end of the day, people's cars, particularly in the United States, are their absolute livelihood. They can't get to work. They can't go see their kids, see their family, see their friends without them. Public transport over there just isn't really a thing for the most part. And I bet Baton Rouge, Louisiana does fall into that category as well. But how can you avoid this happening for you? Well, essentially do your homework when it comes to finding a garage. Always find one that is recommended. Ask your friends where's a good place to go. That's always a good way to start. But if you don't have any friends to really call on when it comes to that kind of advice, do go online, look at the reviews on Google and other services. If it looks bad, if it looks dodgy, do avoid. Also on top of that as well, pay by credit card. If they're insisting you pay for stuff, pay by credit card. Never agree to pay in cash. You're a lot less protected if that is going to happen, particularly if you've got a bad feeling about the work that's being carried out. Also, of course, never agree to pay up front. Only pay when the job is done and when you're satisfied with it. Don't do it when they insist. If they are insisting on upfront payment, get out of there, because they may well take you for a ride. Yeah, you might win in court, but it's a lot of hassle. You'd rather avoid it if you have the chance. So yeah, I hope her convertible roof is now fixed, and I hope she's having a great time driving it around. She really deserves it for all the hassle she's been put through. But guys, what are your horror stories when it comes to garage repairs, when it comes to workshop repairs? Get them in the comments below. I want to hear what you have to say on this as always. Like, share, comment, subscribe. As always, guys, have a fantastic day wherever in the world today, and we'll see you very soon.